Number 3. Insta360 X3, the ultimate 360 vlogging camera. With its 5.7K video capture and AI-powered reframing tools, you can easily customize your footage to capture every angle of the action. The dual 48-megapixel sensors provide incredible clarity and detail even in low-light settings. The 4K single-lens mode allows you to shoot wide-angle footage like a single-lens camera, with options for maximum resolution or an expansive field of view. The flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock features work together to deliver incredibly smooth videos, ensuring your footage is always steady and level. The most exciting feature of the X3 is the impossible third-person view, which allows you to capture drone-like footage without the need for a bulky selfie stick. The invisible selfie stick disappears from your shots, giving you unique perspectives that are sure to impress your viewers. While the X3 is an impressive camera, the only downside is the learning curve when it comes to mastering all of its advanced features. However, with a bit of practice, you'll be able to take full advantage of everything this camera has to offer. Overall, the Insta360 X3 is a game changer for vloggers looking to up their content game. If you want to take your videos to the next level, be sure to check out the X3 for yourself.